Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing Temu. Yes, Temu actually sent me some products and today we're having a collaboration. This is actually a collaboration video between my beautiful self and Temu. So yes, we're gonna gist while we unbox this this package. So if you're new here, by all means please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Just so you know, I have opened it so that it's easy and we're able to save time while I'm showing you guys what I have in this package today. So I'd like to know you, where in the world are you tuning in from, how did you find my video, who sent it to you? Without further ado, let me also go ahead and introduce myself because I'm you guys already know by now. That's the culture, that's the drill right here on this channel. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, I'm the grand queen, you know by now, right? But today I'm having a collaboration. Yes, this is a partnership between myself and Temu. So besties, if you are a returning subscriber, you already know that you have a special place in my heart. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. I love what I have in here. So guys, I can't wait to share what I have in here with you and of course with you guys. And of course I have my coupon code. So you guys, start downloading Temu app with my code and also get great discounts if you use my code. Yes, so use my link. I'm gonna put it in the description as well as in the comments. So guys, come with me, let's go. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments too. Yes, so guys, let's what's the first thing we have in here? Let's see what we have. Okay, we're gonna open it and find out what exactly we have in here. If you're watching a premiere of this, okay, I'm not gonna premiere this video, but if you're watching this video, can you guess what I have in here? Guess before I open it. Guess in the comments. Guess in the comments. Okay. Woo. Girly girl, are you for real? It also has, guys, guess what? I love this. I love this. The texture, the fabric is beautiful. I love everything about it. Like, it's it's for my girly. Yes, it's for my 8-year-old. So yes, you are gonna love it. You guys should use my code though. Use my code to purchase yours. Yes, use my code, my coupon code, or use my code to download app Temu, or use my code to purchase on Temu and get great discount. So guys, let's have a gist. Let's have a chat. Am I the only one? I don't know if I'm the only one. No. Am I the only one that has this? I have this nostalgic feeling about my school. Yes, I actually went to OAU. I won't lie to you. Maybe because I live in United States now, but I think about my school every day. Like, I don't know if something is maybe there's a nudging that I should do something in the school. Not promising anything, no, before you go and quote me, but yes, I mean, I'm having that nudging like every single day. Does it also happen to you? Do you feel the same way? I mean, because like I said, because I'm in the diaspora, but I mean, does anybody else feel that? Because I kind of like miss the school every single day. I was telling one of my assistants that, do you know I miss this school? She's like, why would you miss this kind of school? I said, see, wait until you graduate. And I had someone telling me back then when I was in school that, see, you're gonna miss this whole thingy when you are done with school. And now reality has set in. I miss OAU like crazy, for real. So besties, check out what we have in here. As in, yes, this is a denim jean. I love it. I love it. Jeans for boys. Guys, no now, like it's like thick, long, it's true to size, and it has side pockets. It has, can you see, it has side pockets and a side panel, like an inner pocket here and another one. Like, I love the color. Yeah, I love this color and I love the back, and it's long. I love the length too. So yes, guys, we're shopping on Temu today. We don't sleep on it, guys. You know by now, here on this channel, we are not dulling ourselves. We are not dulling. So yes, I was also gonna say, okay, yes, by the way, it also comes with, the previous one also comes with a belt, the long blue, dress that I unboxed. This one, it comes with a belt too, so you can actually add the belt to it. So yes, guys, hey, you're gonna find lots of stuffs on Temu. They even have wigs, they have shoes, they have high heels, they have clothes, they have all kinds of stuff. Guys, you will love it, I'm telling you. Yes, I'm also gonna ask this. Have you ever had a falling out with a friend? someone that used to be really, really close to you, someone that used to be very dear to your heart, and something happened, and for whatever reasons you guys are unable to reconcile again. Have you ever lost a friend like that? In that, not to, you know, not to disappear from this world, but, you know, like lost a very dear. Eboluwa, stop it. Ebu, stop it, please. You know. So yes, have you ever, you know, lost a friend like that? Like it hurts sometimes, but of course you have to still move on. Like no matter how much you miss them, you know, it's even sometimes when you think about it, it's gonna be even more dangerous. I would use the word dangerous to reconnect with such a person. The reason is because the person you knew 20 years ago is different from the person that you will meet 20 years time. Yes, in the next 20 years. So maybe they have changed, or something has changed in them, or their characters have changed. So yes, for me, I always consider it dangerous to go back to a friend, someone that used to be a friend in the past, that you guys are falling out. It's a different thing if nothing happened. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? It's a different thing if nothing actually happened. You know, you guys, maybe you changed location, someone traveled, you know, but something actually happened. Like you guys had a rift, you know, and you were unable to reconcile since it happened, and you guys had to move on, and then life started to happen. You got married, your friend got married, you guys started having kids, and you know, you just don't hear from them anymore. Like it's like a ghost town. You know what I mean? Do you have such friends, you know, that you miss once in a while? You know, so yeah, share your thoughts in the comment. Like I said, we're gonna chat today. We are chatting, aren't we? So besties, I have this, guys. I love this. It's a shirt. It's a button-down shirt for boys. I love it. It screams gentleman. I gonna date. It even has something like for a bow tie. I'm not a bow tie. Something like, you know, in a pocket that has something. You know, I love it. I think I love what I'm saying. It's, you know, I love the quality of the fabric. You know, you guys already know I'm a designer. And then good thing, it has a button here, so you can actually zip it halfway if you want to. You know, like have the, you know, zip it halfway, and then it has this hole, and then you can put the zip. Like I love, you can do it as a 3/4, you can rock it as a 3/4, or as a long sleeve, like however you want. Or maybe even the sleeve is too short, maybe you're outgrowing it, you know, maybe your son is outgrowing it. You can just flip it and then turn it to a 3/4 shirt. Guys, I love this. You know, it's the fabric for me, it's the color for me, it's the design for me, it's the length for me, it's the sleeves for me. So it's versatile. You can, you know, switch it however you want to rock it. So yes, I love it. Tell me what you think about it. Are you gonna purchase this? What do you have in mind? What are you gonna buy from Temu? Let me know in the comments. And of course, can you guess the last but not the least, one of my favorites. You already know that it's one of my trademark on this channel. You know it's that thing that makes your look pop. You already know now. You know now. You already know by now, guys. It's my nails. Hey, popping. And just so you know, these nails are also from Temu. Yes, these nails, yes, that I'm wearing right now, they are from Temu as well. So yes, it's my trademark, guys. See now. See now. French thieves, as in to shano. Hey, Malo Ruben. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and, you know, open it. So yeah, just get a very nice glue, and it's a stick-on nails. I tell you, like, if I didn't have this one on right now, trust me, I was gonna launch it right now. I was gonna launch it immediately and use it. See now, guys, it looks, it's the real deal. It's the real deal. I like the color. It feels really good. Okay, go stop. You know, so it's really, really, really cool, guys. You want to purchase something like this for yourself, or for your girlfriends, or for your mom, your sister, your bestie, your auntie, you know, just buy for somebody or buy for yourself. Buy multiple, you know. So besties, I'm trying to open it. So guys, this is it. Like, it's a full set in it, and yes, you will love it. Trust me, you will love it. You don't want to miss this at all. So guys, that's all I have today from Temu. Let me know in the comments. I mean, I'm going to put a link in the comments, and as well as in the description. Go ahead and use my link to purchase yours from Temu today. They have lots and lots of amazing stuff that you don't want to miss, guys. And don't worry, it is Black Friday. Yes, so don't miss the Black Friday deals, guys. It is popping. Like, you don't want to miss it. So So besties, thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end. Army of God, Mariah. If no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves, guys, and go do exploits, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.